You are a goddess. You are meant to be loved, firstly by yourself. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a message for all the women out there. If you have watched my other videos, there are times when I look like this. There are times when I look even better, and there are times but I look way worse. Where is the difference? The difference is me not taking care of myself. We all have two energies within us, masculine and feminine. But right now, women are in their masculine energy, dominated by their masculine energy, and because of that, they are go getters. They want to get everything they want, which is a good thing. There is nothing wrong with getting what you want, but there should be a balance in our energies. I will explain about masculine and feminine in another video in detail, but right now the message is for the women, and the message is that why some women look better and some do not. There are three reasons why we are unable to tap into our feminine energy. Number one, beliefs. We have been told to be a certain way. We have been told that we should be ambitious, we should be independent, we can do anything from the work at home to the work that we can do outside. We can do everything. And of course, we can. But what happens is that we are so involved in doing everything that we forget being, which is our natural nature, which is the feminine energy. And the balance has to be brought back. Feminine energy, the being part, should be appreciated equally. So let go of all those beliefs that you have to do everything, you have to take care of everything. With doing, also, you have to just be. How can you be? I will come to that later. Number second reason, comparison. What is beauty? Everybody is beautiful in a different way. Everybody is beautiful in a different way, but we have given it that a girl with long hair or with a thin face, or I don't know, whatever the list is, it is a very long list, and I do not want to get into that. But that list is incorrect for you. You identify what feels like beauty to you. Open hair, closed hair, chubby cheeks, or a thin face, but not because people are telling you, but because you see that in the mirror. So, look in the mirror, acknowledge that everything that you see in the mirror is so beautiful. You are beautiful. So, change it. End that comparison. There is no need to compare. The only focus should be that whatever, whoever I was, I want to be better for myself. Reason number three, ignorance. How do we ignore? What do we ignore? We as women ignore our needs. We have forgotten to love ourselves. Now, many would say that I love myself, and the way they love themselves is by loving their family. We have always been taught to take care of others, and we have forgotten to take care of ourselves. Due to those beliefs, you are not nurturing yourself. So, we are ignorant of the self. So, how can you get back into your feminine energy? How can you do that? Now, feminine energy is more into being rather than doing everything, being ambitious. They just be in the moment, taking care of themselves. In an entire day, when you are not giving care to yourself, you are betraying yourself. Giving love and nurturing is important, but you are also worthy of that same attention, that same love. So give that love to yourself. Now, how can you do that? Certain things that I have done myself and many women are doing. You can do any of these, whichever feel more aligned, whichever you want to do. Okay. You can start by meditating, or you can do yoga, making your favorite meal, not your husband's favorite meal, not your kids' favorite meal, your favorite meal, whatever you want to eat. Eating a healthy diet, if that is what you like, drinking lots of water, writing, journaling, write all of your feelings, have a diary for yourself, sleep 8 hours, nourish yourself in every way possible, take out time for yourself, practice gratitude, writing that why you are so grateful, whatever you feel grateful for. Go outside in the nature, feel it. Wear clothes that make you feel beautiful. Wear makeup if you want to. Whatever makes you feel happy. Another thing, being productive. You can be productive even when you are taking care of yourself. That is also being productive. When you are in your masculine energy, you usually feel that I must be productive, I must achieve goals. Sometimes you do not have to achieve anything. You just stay in that moment, whatever you are doing. If you are cooking, cook. If you are meditating, just meditate. If you are doing yoga, let go of everything. Do not think about anything else. Just focus on the task at hand, and that is what we call being. Be in your feminine energy. This time, I'm not going to tell you to like or share or subscribe. It is completely your choice. If you really think that it is valuable and you want to have it, go ahead. If not, I am just grateful that you are watching this right now, or even if you are sharing it, I am really grateful for that. So, thank you for watching.